Hi my loves, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I styled this gorgeous georgette saree. This saree is such an amazing color, it looks like the perfect sunset or like a fire camp. That's what I remember like when I see this saree. So this saree, you can style it to look very stylish and sleek or sexy and glamorous. I chose this like bodysuit from Shein instead of a blouse because the transparent puff sleeve makes the best combination to make this saree look really sleek and stylish. And you can see it's like a very low cut, which makes the neckline stand out really well, and the puff sleeve, it's not too puffy but it's like very subtle and adds an extra element which is not out in your face but also like it is there to add complement to your look. For makeup, I went with a neutral eyeshadow with shimmers in it and also added a winged eyeliner. And when it comes to the winged eyeliner, I like smoked it out a little bit and made sure it is not so sharp but also like it's complementing my eye shape. As far as the blush, I went with my NARS Orgasm, like that blush color that complemented my skin tone. I didn't go like too much into the blush, but I did add a little good amount of blush on my cheeks. For the lips, I went with a pink toned lip liner, and on top of it I added a very true red, and the red definitely brings out the look to look like so glamorous. And of course, red can make any look pop and make it look like very sleek and glamorous. So that's the reason why I chose like red lipstick. And also, if you ever feel like down or anything, you want to look bright and fresh, add a red lip. It's going to do the work for you. When it comes to my hairstyle, I first tried a hairstyle where, in the old vintage films, you can see the sleek hairband look without a hairband. That's what I went for. I parted my hair in the center and sectioned off some of the hair in the front and took all the hair on the side and made sure it laid flat and took it back behind my behind all my hair and put a rubber band in there to hold it still and make it look like, sleek and like a hairband, but not a real hairband, but just your hair. This is a very simple but very sleek hairstyle. It is very simple to do. All you need is a rubber band and a hair comb. And you can add accessories to make it even more appropriate for your outfit. You can do it for a pretty outfit, for a sleek outfit, for anything. You can add a bow, you can add a hairband with like details in it, with like a pearl hairband or anything to elevate this hairstyle. But just without anything, this hairstyle definitely is very sleek and very good for a look that I'm going for. For the actual hairstyle that I went for, again I chose to try a different one. So what I did was I took a side part, took some hair and twisted it and added a gold bobby pin to hold it. So I wanted some hair to flow free, and also I don't like hair on my face. That's why I pulled some hair off my face and then twisted it and added the gold hairpin. So it will add that a little pop of gold to my look, and it definitely made my hairstyle look like I put some effort and some thought process into it. But in the real life, I didn't think too much. All I did was like while doing it, I saw the gold bobby pin and I was like, yeah, I should use it. It's going to look really good on my hair, and I did it. For accessories, I went with this statement necklace which has like a lot of texture and layer to it. It looks absolutely amazing. When you look at it, it like speaks for itself. It definitely added that like that bold element to this look. First, I tried to add a tasseled long earring to see how it goes, but definitely the long earring and the bold necklace clashed the look. So I went with a button earring which is like similar to my statement necklace's color and tone. It is just to add something onto my ears and like make sure it is not out there, and it is like I wanted it to be subtle. So the sari look, the blouse and the statement necklace all goes together, and that is going to be the center of attention, and I'm not distracting anything with something big on my ears. Because the blouse is like full sleeved and it has like lot of creases and like puff sleeves and all that going on. I didn't add anything to my wrists like bangle or a bracelet or anything like that, but I did add like rings to my fingers, which added a little zest to my outfit. In the end, everything worked well together and it created such an amazing and pretty glamorous look that I hoped for. I hope you also learned something out of this video and liked how I styled this sari. If you have any questions or doubts, let me know in the comment section, or if you have any sari in mind that you want to know how to style it, let me know in the comment section. I can recreate that look for you and let you know what you can do to make it look pretty or glamorous or sexy, whatever look that you want. If you like this video, please do share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to comment and let me know your thoughts. So yeah, I'll catch you in my next video. Until then, remember, you are amazing just the way you are. Bye bye. With love, Sindhu.